Hello everybody, this is Haga and let's study English together. In this lesson we are going to learn about regular and irregular verbs. The level is A2. In part 1, look at the video, English sentence structure. In this video I explained what is a suffix, what is regular and irregular verb, and what is an auxiliary verb. They are very important when you study English. Now, in this video today, I'm going to tell you more about regular and irregular verbs. Let's start. In English, the verbs have three forms: verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. They are not present, past, future. Please be careful. They are verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. When we talk about regular verbs, we use ed suffix, verb plus ed. It's very easy. For example, clean, cleaned, cleaned. Play, played, played. Look, looked, looked. Kiss, kissed, kissed. Love, loved, loved. If you look at verb 2 and verb 3, they are the same. It's very easy. Now, the next one is irregular verbs, and unfortunately, they are not easy. Sometimes they have the same form. Same for verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3, it's easy. For example, cost, 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 cut, 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 put, 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 bet, 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 hit, 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 and let, let, let. It's easy. Sometimes the verb 1 form is different and verb 2 and verb 3 are the same. For example, get, got, got, sit, sat, sat, keep, kept, kept, sleep, slept, slept, feel, felt, felt, buy, bought, bought. And sometimes, unfortunately, they are all different. For example, drive, drove, driven, write, wrote, written, break, broke, broken, speak, spoke, spoken, fly, flew, flown, begin, began, begun. When you study English, they are very important. Regular and irregular verbs, verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3 are very, very important. You have to understand. And you have to study all of them. Let's practice together now. Go. Do you know what is the verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3? Go, went, gone. Very good, well done. Second, eat. Do you know what's the verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3? Eat, ate, eaten. Very good, well done. And the last one? Meet. What is verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3? Meet, met, met. Well done, very good. Now it's your turn. Please leave your comment below. Draw, see, and hear. Also, help me grow my YouTube channel and I help you to study English. Win free English lessons. Invite friends to follow my YouTube channel and get a free English lesson with me. If you are interested, please comment below, interested. Thanks for watching and see you soon!